In this video, we are going to see about problems based on elementary functions or standard functions. To solve the problems, we should remember the formulas. First problem, Laplace transform of t cube plus 5 cos t. To solve this using linearity property, I am going to apply the Laplace transform to the functions. That is equal to L of t cube plus 5 is a constant, take it out, L of cos t. So now we know the formula of this by seeing the terms here. L of t power n formula is n factorial divided by s power n plus 1 since n is integer form. So therefore here we can write n factorial divided by s power n plus 1 plus 5 into L of cos at. So a value is here 1. So therefore your formula is Laplace transform of cos at is s divided by s square plus a square. Here a value is 1, so 1 square. If you want to simplify, you can simplify. Here 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3, that is 6. That is your 3 factorial value divided by s power 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 5s divided by s square plus 1. So this is your required answer for it. Next problem is Laplace transform of e power 3t minus 2 into e power minus 2t plus sin 2t plus cos 3t plus sin h3t minus 2 into cos h4t plus 9. So using linearity property, we can write the terms as like this. L of e power 3t minus 2 is a constant, take it out, L of e power minus 2t, L of sin 2t plus L of cos 3t plus L of sin h3t. Minus 2 is a constant, take it out, L of cos h4t, and if you want, you write the constant as it is here, L of 9. Since the reason is using linearity property, we are written the term. Now we know the direct formula, L of e power at. So e power at is 1 by s minus a. Here a value is 3, s minus 3. Minus 2 is a constant. Here e power minus at form. So therefore here 1 divided by s plus a. Here a value is 2, so s plus 2. It is in the form of sin at. Sin at formula is a into a is 2. So 2 divided by s square plus 2 square, that is 4. So next you can write cos 3t. Cos 80 formula is s divided by s square plus a square. Here the a value is 3. So 3 square is 9. Similarly sin h3t. So here your a value is 3. A divided by s square minus a square, that is 9. Minus 2 is a constant. Cos h4t, s divided by s square. Since it is hyperbolic, negative we have to introduce. 4 square is 16. It is in the form of k. L of k is k by s. So k value is 9. So it is 9 by s. So if you want, you can simplify the answer. 1 by s minus 3, 2 by s plus 2 plus 2 by s square plus 4 plus s divided by s square plus 9 plus 3 divided by s square minus 9 minus 2s divided by s square minus 16 plus 9 by s is the required answer. The first two problems are direct form of given formula. So we have seen and we are applied the formulas and we got the answer. Now we are going to see the problems. It is not as exactly given as a formula, but we have to reduce that into the formula form. L of 2 power t. There is no formula for L of a power t. We are going to use the logarithmic property. since x can be written as a power log x to the base a. So using this, I am going to write this 2 power t as e power log 2 power t to the base e. Since we know that log m power n can be written as n into log m. Using this property, I am going to write this 2 power t as e power log 2 to the base e into this t comes to your front of the term and I can write t. So it does look like now e power at. So L of 2 power t can be written as L of e power log 2 to the base e into t equal to, the formula of this is 1 by s minus a. Here your a value is log 2 to the base e. This is your required answer. Find L of sine h square 2t. So we'll have the formula only for sine hat. It's not sine h square t. So therefore, we know that this sine hat can be written as e power at minus e power minus at by 2. So using this, I'm going to write this sine h square 2t as e power 2t minus e power minus 2t divided by 2 the whole square. Now we can write this term as sine h square 2t can be written as 1 by 2 square is 4. I have taken out. Now e power 4t, a minus b whole square formula you apply. E power 4t minus 2 into e power 2t into e power minus 2t plus b square. B square is minus 4t. This can be written as e power 4t. Here these two, if you add e power 0, e power 0 is 1, so you simply will get minus 2 plus e power minus 4t whole thing divided by 4. Now if you take Laplace transform of this, you will get L of sine h square 2t equal to L of e power 4t minus 2 plus e power minus 4t divided by 4. So take 1 by 4 out and apply the Laplace transformation for the function. So L of e power 4t minus L of 2 plus L of e power minus 4t. We know the formula, so we can directly apply the formula 1 by 4 into L of e power at form 1 by s minus 4. L of k is k by s, 2 by s. L of e power minus at is 1 by s plus a, that is s plus 4. So this is your required answer. If you want, you take LCM. L of sine cube 2t. We'll have the formula of sine cube t is 1 by 4 into 3 sine t minus sine 3t. So using this formula, we are going to write this sine cube into 2t as 1 by 4 into 3 into sine 2t minus sine 3 into t. So here t value is 2t. So therefore we will get 1 by 4 into 3 sine 2t minus sine 16. So therefore L of sine cube 2t can be written as L of 1 by 4 into 3 sine 2t minus sine 60. That is equal to, take constant out and you apply the Laplace transformation only for the function. So therefore 3 by 4 L of sine 2t and then here minus 1 by 4, I have multiplied that 1 by 4, so minus 1 by 4 L of sine 60. So finally we will get 3 by 4 sine AT is A divided by A square plus A square. A value is 2 here, so 2 divided by A square plus 4 minus 1 by 4 into 6 divided by A square plus 6 square is 36. So here if you want, you take the terms out. The numerator is 6, the denominator is 4 common in this, so you can take it out, and the remaining term is 1 divided by A square plus 4. 1 divided by A square plus 36 is the required answer. If you want, you can cancel it and write 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 1 by A square plus 4 minus 1 by A square plus 36.